Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HTTP/3 and QUIC setup on Cloudflare, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your HTTP/3 and QUIC setup on Cloudflare, begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard of the specific site you wish to update. In the menu on the left, click on the Network tab. Scroll down to the section labeled HTTP/3. Ensure that the HTTP, if it is not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Once you enable HTTP/3, this will allow QUIC compatibility. Next, check the Enable Always Use HTTPS option if it is not already selected. This ensures secure connections for all your visitors. Now, scroll to the section for TLS 1.3. Confirm that TLS 1.3 is enabled. If it is not enabled, toggle it on as well. After configuring these settings, look for the caching option in the left menu. Click on Caching to ensure your caching settings support HTTP/3. Clear the cache if needed to implement the new settings. Return to the network settings and review any additional options related to performance. Make sure the options for WebSockets and Rocket Loader are set according to your preferences. Now, look at the Edge server's status to confirm they support HTTP/3. This can usually be found in the Overview tab. Once you have confirmed all settings, click on Save if applicable. Finally, visit your website to check if HTTP/3 and QUIC are functioning properly. Use tools like Chrome's Developer Tools or online websites to test the connection protocol. If everything is set up correctly, your site will now serve traffic using HTTP/3 and QUIC. Monitor your website's performance over the next few days to ensure optimal operation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.